Bam up the wrong fraud. Plunge him in a poverty. Tell them take a hike. Me them like. They got no stripe. Now this camera is about Wise One. And the Wise One is like a chapter saga. Understand? You know I have Kuya, Ghetto Love Lesson, and Sizzle and Permanent, right? So in this camera, I'm going to talk about a situation that happened in America and the system thinking like board of head. They're not thinking like constitution system. You understand? Because I stand up for my rights, but the rights I stand up for, it wasn't board of ed education I stand up for. I stand up for the constitution laws. Now, so they tell me, say, the clans them sing all of my songs. Down in Jamaica, they sing all of my songs, and they say the whole white race sings all of my songs. I did my research, and they did. They're telling me now they're locking them down in the line. Well, how they sing it? They sing it by, like, Portmore in love. They'll take that line, baby wasn't all my fault. I think she's ghetto sexy. They took like that and the melody and they made the beats. Understand? But when they took the melody and made the beats, under the beat law, right? It's called sampling law. If you take a vocals from a person and sing the song and redo it over, the person got to get paid under the copyright laws that in Washington, D.C. GOV copyright. Understand? And when you take GOV copyright, they got the instrument laws, like beatport laws. Understand? And they have minutes of sample laws, like you could sample 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Then they have sampling laws of vocal voice. Understand? You got to check those things. Like, say for example, I have a punchline. Say, I think she's ghetto sexy. Her style and attitude, you match me. If I'm the one who sing that and you sing that, I am the writer also. Understand? If you add your word to it, you understand what happened is I still be a part of the writing. I'm part of the writer. Understand? I have a song called I Got the New Dialect Way. And they sing that song and make the sound for it and make the beat. And when they do it now, right? White America and the American forces after stealing telling me to go to work. The system who give the cops them the order to take the arms, breaking the constitution laws. And if I stand up with more than 40 complaints within the land, understand, and I send it to the international laws, all the realms government supposed to look into what I was saying, as far as the writing laws, the lyrics laws, the digital laws, you understand, the financial laws, and all of the copyright laws. They didn't do it. So I wait more than 15 years. And they tell me not to sue. So what is happening now, a lot of people are vanishing over it. Understand? And every time somebody's supposed to give me a go, them same laws steal it and the people then vanish me. Tell the justice, man, every time you make a decision, you must make a decision and do it. Because there's a species who want to kill out the human race, man. You understand? And you know much to it. You understand? Every time you want to do it, you just don't do it. You understand? And the person who tell me that say you are a type of human where you take long to learn. And you are in a part of a situation where you never been tackled like that before. And they know land. Where them poof out every living thing. You understand? They don't take a stone over it. And the species who doing it, they like killing human. And you human think all war is physical when you don't realize that some wars are silent and we just kill you like in a silent hour. You want to make it to ganja. Understand? So if you analyze what I'm telling you, you must analyze it real deeper again. I was also approached when I stand up for myself for the laws that was working in America. They tell me before they bring black people and white people and all race to this land, they came to this land and check up on every situation and they know all the problem, all the president, all the corruption within this land to come. They would have never take us here if they know that we was going to overthrow them and they guard the land. Them different from the Justice Department. This is why no one should go to international law again because of what is happening because people will disappear. You understand? And you cannot wake up all the military. When you wake up the military, you wake up all deadly forces. Instead, you never know what kind of war weapon militaries have. All military have a special weapon to protect themselves. Never wake all the military. And they start to pop the sun over music. You understand? So now I'm looking at the justice thinking like board of ed. You know when I say board of ed, meaning they don't, when you're going to school and you learn 1, 2, 3, A, B, C. You understand? And something happened, you say, and the teacher said, well, class, quiet down, class, quiet. Go over there and sit down. In my situation, they're telling me, client, sing my song, and I should just stop. They sing, they do all my beat-port, and I just stop. When I stand up for my constitutional rights. I'm not saying the justice is not looking into the problem, but 15 years passed. And the reason why I don't sue is because I see people vanishing. Understand? And once I see the people vanishing, I say, you know what, that would be their punishment. But if they do not give me my my rights for my music and settle it, you understand, it's gonna cause a lot of a proof out of the white race. Because what I was thinking to myself while I write the letters, I said, okay, I see that all the land of America and the whole troops, them steal all my beat-ports, steal all my lyrics. I was thinking when I contact international laws and I put most of my lyrics them online. If you go online right now, I have more than 112 lyrics on it. If you go deep for entertainment lyrics, you will see I got some lyrics I don't even sing them yet. I thought they was going to look into those lyrics and look into some of the lyrics them I have on my substocks and other things that I got online, search for my lyrics them. I thought they was going to take the songs note and the acapella there, because they sing all of the acapellas. You understand? And they call them the same name. All my phone, they got the same name. I think they boot them off a line, but they're still playing them on the radio somewhere. I thought they was going to settle. You understand? And white race walk ahead and sing all of my vocals. I thought they was going to put it at the end of the table and say, well, this guy stand up for his human rights and you own all his beat-port, you own all his lyrics, you own all his teaching, and this is not how the law works. Well, settle right here. Let me take the paperwork and go give him say settle instead of it go into the court. So they want me now to copyright my rhymes. If I copyright my rhymes, all of them go down. You understand? Because you're supposed to settle because all of the violence of all this. You understand? I mentioned this before that America have more than 450 stars die. Shoot down, gun down. In 2020 and 2021, they're trying to cover it up. I stand up as a Rasta man from the parish to defend star and my music and stealing of the song sales, right? And none of them don't do nothing of it yet. Everything you see I doing on Deal Figure Entertainment and Tire Fire, I make no money from it yet. They hold on to it and harass me day and night for my own. And they want the justice in America, want to own every video you see on YouTube, every vocal you see on Spotify, everything you see, they want to collect from it and tell me go work. You understand? The whole white race within the line and the Jamaicans and the whole troops singing the same song as me. You understand? And all of the copyright laws that govern America, and if I stand up to them about and pinpoint it, American justice is supposed to look into it and say his problem is a constitution problem. They're depriving him for his own money. That's financial law problem. That's breaking the slavery law. That's they're messing with me in my apartment. That's breaking the rules of privacy. You understand? They're doing hacking every day. That's breaking America hack laws. You understand? They're stealing beat-port. That's another hack laws. You understand? They're tampering with stocks account. That's another hack laws. America knows it's happening because on Buzzer, there's a Washington wake up. They're stealing our stocks account. This is what I always pinpointed to Buzzer. And I check and I see it. If you check, I see I have videos revealing how they steal our stock money. You understand? I thought that was going to take care of the problem. You understand? And I'm not saying that when I go into international law, they wasn't taking care of the problem. They deal with things different. They deal with things different. You know, so I'm a patient man. They want me to run away from this country without getting what's really mine. If America murder more than 450 stars within the land, and I stand, and all the white race get caught singing my song, and all them Jamaicans, all them rappers, all them Indians and Puerto Ricans and the whole Mexican and Brazil and Chinese and Japanese doing high music for the first black man that rise up in the land. And I stand defending himself as far as a First one who teach a teenager. First one that bring lesson to the people. Understand? First one why we're so much vocal. First one that create audios like that. Tell the people, they do poetry. Understand? But it's when I came along, I put the first audio poetry on like that. Understand? If you check it, I'm the one they're learning from. If they do it, they walk ahead before me and do it. So they're trying to tell me they walk ahead and own what I own, do what I do, and I must go to work, and there's no law like that. They want to sing all of my song and tell me to go to work, and there's no law like that. The Pacific Jamaica in America want to use all my B-ports, sing all my vocals on my acapella. If you do STAY for YA acapella online and search for them online, you will see I got a lot of acapella. America and the justice within the land want to use them and sing them in the public and tell me to go to work. And they have a copyright laws. They have B-port laws. Understand? When they do that now, they're thinking like Board of Education. They're not thinking like the Constitution law. My situation is affirmative, and it is a Constitution problem. America breaking the slave law. America breaking the Constitution laws for the financial laws. And then when it comes to the B-port laws, they're breaking all the copyright laws. You understand? They're owning things that don't belong to them. You understand? They're breaking their own hack laws. Then depriving me from my own rights. Justice shouldn't let me wait for more than 15 years from a man and tell me go to work when he give order to his police to sing my song. Tell the people, if you hear someone singing my song, it's police singing the song. The people do not have no control of the public. The people wouldn't be highlighting my music. Understand? People wouldn't do that. As police have all the access within the earth. You understand that? And America breaking the rules when it comes to the people. If America have in-home law, in-home law, in the people at home and harassing them and going against them all the time and messing with their money. You understand? What do you think that's going to bring? It's going to bring trouble and war. Because that's just against the Constitution laws. America cannot tell me work when he robbed me. By their law. You understand that? And I'm not disrespecting them because their government came to me and told me this is not a 911 situation. This is a serious problem and they have to be taken care of. They're telling me nothing I want to collect from my own creation. They want to collect from publishing from my music. And it don't work like that. You understand that? Understand? And I'm a straight man and they're telling me I'm a gay person. I'm not. But if you check, America always car stars. Them on the Caribbean. You understand? It don't work like that. You understand? So when I said check out the music, it was a wise one, man. Tell the system worldwide, man. Don't think like education system, because out in the world, it's called the Constitution laws. Once I'm in the streets, it's the Constitution laws. If I punch a man in his face, without him doing me nothing, yo, that will be Constitution laws. If I shoot the guns out there, it will be Constitution laws. If I broke a bank, rob and do and steal anything out there and broke the law, it's going to be Constitution laws, not going to be Board of Ed. If America's stealing the B-port and stealing the ROMs and owning things that don't belong to them, it's still the Constitution laws and it should be penalized, and somebody need to stand up and do it, and that's what I did. And if you got so much dead stars within an understand, government can't tell me nothing, bro. They don't get no respect like that. Not even the troop will get no respect for that. No one will respect no one who steal from them, bro, and tell them to do something else while they want to collect off for their creation. That is madness, bro. This is why I'm saying, bam up the road, fraudy. Plunge them in a poverty. Tell them take a hike. They got no strike. And me them like.